So welcome to the second part of this video where I will take you to the museum tour. So my voice is just like the tour guide right here. So when you zoom out completely out of the scene, you will see the fog effect. And when you zoom back in, it disappears. So to your right, you see the instruction on how to interact the scenes inside the museum. WSD to move forward, step back, turn right, turn left. U and T for up and down, and RPQ for the lights. Before moving forward, this museum has about 2 cameras. We have when you use the mouse to hover around it this way, to look around, zoom out, this way. And there is also the one you use the keyboard key codes to interact with this museum. So let's get right to it. Pressing W right now. Walking. Images on both right and left. Now before I do that, I have to go back. And we can use W. And we turn on the light R, P, Q. So this is the front, the middle, and the back light. So now we're moving towards the robot. Here you can see a robot here, which indicates this section is the technologies section of the museum. This museum is divided into two. We have the art section and we have the technology section, where we display the tech stuff. And that's an image of a tech image right there. And this is the highlight of the project, which is a humanoid. Moving closer to the humanoid, we can turn on lights, 8, bluish light, turn it off, 9, yellowish light. We can turn them on and off like that. And we can interact with the robot by pressing it to walk, by pressing 2, increase the speed by pressing 3, and it goes faster from walking to running. And 1 to bring it back to the normal state. The lights, I like the bluish light better. There we go. And turning, that was the first room. Now I'm walking into the second room. And here is an image of Alexander the Great. And to my right is the map of Newfoundland in the 18th century. And further to my right is my hierarchy, where I have a stool. There's a book on top of it, and that is the quill and the ink and quill on top of it as well. To have a closer look, I would like to, so now press X, like a spotlight on. There you can actually see the textures on all of the models that was downloaded. By the way, all of these models, when I downloaded them, they all came with textures already. Some I changed the textures from what the color was before to a different color. I simply passed in a texture image in there and altered it. So here. And to interact with the objects or the models on top of the stool, we press Y. This is actually rotating both of them. And when you press C, you spin just the book along in an opposite direction. This is the direction the Y goes, this is the direction the Z goes, opposite direction. And that's it with those two. And coming out of that room, back to the corridor. We saw a picture of Mona Lisa. So to actually have a better look left, you press U to look up and T to look down. Yeah. And that is the image of the image of the Greek troll as a popular guy. And yeah, and that's the end of our tour, or tour rather. And out I go.